Binance Crypto Wallet Review. Watch before using. Most people get crypto wallets wrong. They assume all wallets are equally secure and easy to use. The surprising truth about Binance Crypto Wallet is how it combines advanced security, multi-currency support, and seamless integration with Binance trading services, and you won't believe how convenient managing crypto can be. Here's how it works. Binance Wallet allows users to store, send, receive, and trade multiple cryptocurrencies in one app. It includes private key control, biometric security, and two-factor authentication for added protection. For example, the user can hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins in one wallet, send crypto to friends or exchanges instantly, and track balances in real time. Most people get this wrong. They assume wallets are separate from exchanges, but Binance Wallet integrates smoothly with the Binance platform. Additional features include staking, DeFi access, and support for NFTs. Users consistently praise the combination of security, convenience, and direct trading access. However, there are considerations. Users should back up recovery phrases securely, and trading crypto carries market risk. Most people assume crypto wallets are risk-free yet secure, but market volatility affects holdings. In conclusion, Binance Crypto Wallet is ideal for beginners and experienced crypto users who want a secure, versatile, and integrated solution for managing digital assets. It balances safety, accessibility, and functionality in one platform. Subscribe for more honest crypto reviews and wallet guides.